Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. And here we are. We had a dead keurig. The screen actually was dead. And then my husband tried to kind of fix it. So
You took these two screws out
yes,
underneath.
Yep.
And that loosens up this panel here.
And then you remove it.
Just be careful.
There we go. There we go. And just use a butter knife to pry that thing. Okay. And then you will see that white connector there with the rainbow wires. Just press it down. You can just use your butter knife because if your fingers don't fit, just make sure you press the plastic, not the wires, otherwise you might damage it. And that should do the trick. And now putting it back, so just be very careful as you put it back. You gotta,
this has to fit it underneath here. It has to slide in there, so just be aware. And basically you would put your two screws back in, up underneath here, and you'd be all set.
And let's try if it... Okay. And there we go. We were about to throw this keurig, because of the screen, but it's worth a try. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.